Bruh.
What y'all think about the Forge? Yay or nay, y'all comment down below. I think it looks beautiful, man. He's even got the rear tailpiece. What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today is Dyno Day, baby. Stage 2 is complete, and we're gonna see how much power Nina will put down on the dyno. I want you guys to throw your guesses down in the comments below. I'm gonna guess 267. I really have no idea. Now, Travis did say this dyno reads kind of low, but that's still more than what we put out last time. And I always tell people it's not necessarily about how much power you're putting down, but how much power can the rider handle? That's more important, especially when it comes to racing, because you can have all the power in the world, but if that back tire is spinning or that front wheel's coming up, then it just becomes a battle of who can get traction first and get out in front. So we'll do the dyno in this video, and then you'll see behind me, have a U-Haul truck. I'm gonna load up the H2 and we're headed down to Miami for a huge event, which if you didn't know about this, you're just not following me on Instagram because I've been posting about it. So go follow me over there so you don't miss the next one. And if we have time, maybe we'll do the first ride in this video, but you'll have to stick around and we'll see. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in about an hour when we get to the dyno. All right, guys, so we made it to the dyno spot. I'm trying out this new camera. Y'all gonna let me know, do you like it, do you not like it? Wait till the end of the video though before you decide. We already got some cool bikes out here. You got a Gixxer 1K, ZX10 in the green. I always said if I were to get a ZX10, you gotta go with the Kawi green, man. It just looks sick. And he's got the aero disc on the rear with the SC. I've never seen this exhaust on a ZX10. I'm sure that sounds great. ZX10, sheesh, look at that stretch and everything. That's beautiful, man. And the airbox wrapped in gold. No seat delete. He ain't playing, man. You line him next to him, you better come ready. Look at this H2. Golly. Yeah, that is nice. With the Brox exhaust on there, green swing arm, nice little stretch. Yeah, that looks good. And you can see all the rubber in here. He's been having a good old time. Look at the carbon wheels all down through there. Yeah, that is beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful. We got an ape as well. What? Hey, all the carbon on there, a little carbon drip. Let me zoom y'all in. Let's see how this camera does with the carbon. Carbon on the wing too. I've never seen that before. Those must be aftermarket. And then it's got it on the hugger. Oh, it's a limited edition one. Number 58 to 125. Maybe that's why it has all the carbon. Yeah, that's nice. That is beautiful, man. Did he add all the carbon or was the carbon on there?
Oh, no, that was added.
Oh, okay, I'm about to say, that's what I thought. I've never seen one like this.
Some of it was on there, but we added the intake.
Yeah.
Carbon right here. The front fender.
The wings?
Carbon. The wings already had the carbon on
Oh,
there.
wow, okay, it comes like that. Nice.
So that's a LE limited edition.
That's why. Okay. And they made 125 of them?
Yep.
That's wild. Yeah, that's beautiful. I know with that SC it sounds glorious, man. And then, can we hear it?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. All right, let's hear it real quick. Oh my gosh. Yeah, y'all let me know. Y'all like the sound of the ape or the R1 more? Ape or R1? What do you like more? RSV4?
Honestly, I'm a fan of Aprilia, so.
Oh, he's going ape. All right, there we go. Hey, I don't blame you, man. That sounds incredible, dog. This is sick. With the Navis on there.
This one we're taking to Miami.
Oh, you're taking this down there?
Going to Miami.
Oh, hell yeah. This just looks like a fun time, man. Bring this out to the race spot, please. Yeah. I've been toying with getting one of these, too.
Grom?
Yeah. Let's see. Y'all comment down below. Would y'all want to see a Grom build on the channel or nah? I'm a big guy, so I don't know how fast we're going to be going, but it'll be fun. We also got another ZX10 out here as well. Oh, yeah. Anyways, the real reason why we're here. How's it going, man? There you go. The man, the myth, the legend. How's it going, man? Dylan.
How you doing, bro? Dylan, I'm Eric.
Nice to meet you, Eric.
Nice to meet you,
Yes, sir. Appreciate you having me, man. Is there anything you don't want me to film or anything in here, or just show? Okay. Always gotta ask to make sure. You know what I'm saying?
I'm like, not that
Yeah. He's like, it's like hide. I'm like, all right.
It's not that one over there.
Yeah. All right, guys. We are here at Putin Power Sports with Eric here. Shout out to him for letting us use his dyno, man. Anything you want to say to him, Eric?
What's up, man?
There we go.
Make some power and some noise.
Hey.
Really make our neighbors happy. That's
There
what
we
we do.
I love it, yes. Y'all know this H2 is not quiet at all, man. You got the Van Diemen over here, and she may or may not be shooting some flames. So let's see what we can get. Obviously, Stage 2 package from Jaegerworks, hooked it up, and he's the man that's gonna take care of us today. So let's do it, baby. Oh, yeah, thank you.
Bruh.
All right, here we go. I forgot the mic. All right, there we go. So, guys, as y'all can see here, 264. And then what's in red there is...
It was a Bone Factory 2021 Carbon Edition H2. So
Yep.
This is a good example between a factory H2 and the Stage 2 package.
There we go. So, yeah, as y'all can see right there. Sheesh. And then same thing with the torque. And look at that. 89.6. Now we're at 111.79. And look at the curve. That's just beautiful. Everywhere it's making way more power, way more torque, and that's a real smooth line, man.
We picked up 53 wheel at 11.5, and then the ATV takes over the red, so you can't really, that's not really a good comparison, but picked up 3 wheel at 11.5.
Yeah, that's nuts, man. What's this thing red line at?
Limiter set to 13,950.
13,950. Oh, so not above 14.
The needle actually reads ahead for some reason, so if you watch it during the pull, it looks like it goes to about
Exactly.
45.
Yeah.
But I don't know why the needle does that, but the limiter in the ECU is set to 13,950.
Nice. All right. Well, there y'all go, man. There y'all have it right there. Dang, so we got Eric's, the owner's ZX14 right here, man.
Yes, sir.
Jeez. So tell us a little bit about this build, man.
It's nothing super crazy yet. Well, I
Yeah.
say that, but it's stripped down.
I don't have you. There you go. So I can get
Oh,
both you and the
my
bike.
bad.
You good? You good?
No, so I mean it's stripped down. The big thing that I had on, this was the NA build originally.
Yeah.
We got it down to like 420 pounds.
Sheesh.
COVID hit,
Yeah.
so I'm like, let me go ahead and do something.
Yeah.
I'm bored, the tracks were shut down, so we got the turbo kit for it. It's an RCC turbo kit.
Wow.
We added that to it, deleted the cooling system, a bunch of stuff. So now we're gonna go to a max ECU and a built motor next, and up the boost, do all the fun stuff. But right now it makes about 275 on this stretch with
Yeah.
this tire. With the new setup, hopefully around 450 is what we're aiming for.
Yeah.
So,
What about on the track? What times are we looking at?
so we recently got it completed. We're still working out some gremlins, but the
Yeah.
best that it ran was like an 8.6 at like 165 or something like that.
Yeah, there we
Right
go.
around.
Dang, man.
So it should do a lot better though. Don't get me wrong, and that's with me on it. I'm an
Yeah.
average rider. I'm nothing special.
Oh, this guy, man.
Yeah, but-
Being humble over here,
But
man.
it should do like a high 7 to a low 8. Realistically,
Okay.
it should. With a
Okay.
good rider and everything dialed in. You know?
Yeah.
Again, we had to change the shock. We had to change the suspension around because of the difference in power level now.
Yeah.
But needless to say, it's a fun bike, man. It's a
Yeah.
fun bike. It's a headache.
You never really see these around, man, the ZX14s.
No, and that's why I wanted to do it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, dude,
that's
because
cool.
you just don't see these.
No,
you
not
know?
at all.
So yeah, but it's all gutted out. It's all stripped. There's no charging system. There's no
Oh,
cooling
dang,
system.
everything just, it's
done.
full on race bike,
Yeah,
man.
full on.
There we go. I love it, man.
Appreciate it,
Yeah,
man.
well, this is nice. Got the carbon wheels on there, obviously, too.
We cut the forks on it as well. Just got cut front forks.
Oh, they're not playing, man.
Yeah, it's pretty done up, man. Actually, I think we could start. You want me to start it up?
Oh, yeah.
I think we got
Hell
fuel
yeah,
in it, man.
they want to hear that. They always want to hear it, man.
Oh, that is.
Appreciate that, man. That sounds phenomenal, man.
It's a
Travis,
fun
open the door.
song.
Thank you, man, so we don't die.
I'm even trying to die here.
Yeah, this thing is nice, man. All right, Travis. He's like, dang, you record everything, huh? No, you're good. There we go. I appreciate it, man. Thank you again, bro. Hey, there she goes. Oh, man. So, yeah, he's going to take her home, and then we'll go pick her up tonight. Because he's gonna put her back together, pick her up tonight, and then we'll be on our way to Miami. Nina, I missed your girl already. Check out this green carbon fiber wheel on here. Do y'all think this would look good on the H2? Because I've been toying with the idea of putting carbon wheels on there, and I'm between going green or just going with a regular carbon. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll show y'all the front one as well. Green or not? What y'all think about the forge on the H2? Yay or nay, y'all comment down below. I think it looks beautiful, man. He's even got the retail piece done up. He's gonna get this installed right here. I can't do it with the camera, but yeah, it's gonna be nice. So as I'm editing this, I'm realizing I never really gave you guys my thoughts on the dyno numbers. Before we even started the build on this bike, Travis told me exactly what the dyno numbers would be because he's tuned hundreds of H2s. So that's why I really wasn't surprised. Keep in mind that dyno does read low, and everyone's told me that, not just Travis. Other locals that have nothing to do with Travis, don't even own H2s, have also said the same thing. But she's still making more power than what she was making on the dyno last time. And more importantly, I can go out and really beat on this bike. Like go out and do pull after pull after pull after pull, and it's gonna be fine. With what I do, I can't have an unreliable bike. And with the Stage 2, it is perfect for what I do. A lot of the guys that have the big high horsepower bikes can do a pull and then have to let the bike cool off for a sec before they can do another pull, because if you're not careful with these H2s, they will blow. You gotta make sure you take the right precautions and you'll be good to go. Travis has had plenty of customers with the Stage 2 package that go out and just beat on them race after race after race, and they've lasted upwards of 30, 40,000 miles plus. Y'all just wait till the first ride video, because this bike, Nina, she's running. That's all I'm gonna say. But if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the FastLane gang, baby. Nina, your boy FastLaneD, we out. Peace.